Well, here's the chickens on April 11th. I just do a little chicken video every day. Let's see here. I don't know if you can tell or not, but they laid an egg. You just can't see it. Okay. Nope. Here we go. How y'all doing today, chickens? Looks like I need to get y'all some water. Okay. I figure this water's fine enough. Y'all ain't got allergies no ways. You never complained anyways. Looks like my little bucket's a little flimsy. It's just ice cream thing. There we go. There should be plenty of water for now. Well, today was the first day of turkey season, and well, right when we got out the truck, we heard one goblin, and it was actually pretty chilly this morning, down to freezing, but I don't remember there being any frost. It was gobbling when we got out the truck, and so we went after it. Well, so my dad got up on top of the hill, my brother at the creek, and me where I could watch the roadbed. My dad and I were carrying Mossberg 835, the Ultra Mags. It's a 3.5 inch 12 gauge pump shotgun. And my brother just had a 20 gauge 3 inch. And after Dad started calling, Gobbler must not have liked it, because he shut up. There were also some hens in the pines to my right. Not right where I'm at now, but we was in the woods this morning. And we made our loop. Nothing in there. They normally don't lay in here anymore. We made our loop. We went up around the woods, across the power line. Oh, come on now. Back up, chicken. There you go. And we crossed the power line again at the top when we crossed early at the bottom. Yep, here's our one egg. That's a golf ball size comparison anyways. See? Yep. I got this manual focus on here. Yep, and then we came back by a tree stand that we got. Came back down that trail. Went up into some mature pines. I never saw it, but my brother said he saw a hen. We was all facing different directions. Me where I could see over a ledge, him go deeper into the woods, and my dad, he was doing the calling. He's been doing it a whole while. We haven't. And I've been going with him since I was like, I don't know, big enough for him to take me. First gobbler I was with him that he killed, actually, I couldn't sit still. So what he ended up having to do was put me behind him, and that's when he killed it. Yeah. I got the mail, gonna give the egg and all that to Grandma Nanny. Well, here's the chickens today, little chicks. They're doing good. As you can tell, Jet is getting her bigger feathers, and she's right big. She's been jumping on top of that and that. And my nanny, who was just out here, like, was saying that if I didn't watch, she might fly out, but she got a little ways to go. She wanted to fly out, as you can see. But here's the little chicks. Yeah, they still got all that food on the ground. I'm not going to keep refilling it. They're going to keep making messes. I gave them some more grid and cleaned out their water. It must have fared well last night, this morning, because, well, when I checked on them this afternoon, it was nice and warm in here. So I said, all right. I didn't put my nanny on film because I didn't figure she wanted to be. When we was younger, she didn't like us taking pictures of her anyways. She always said, oh, I look ugly or something like that, but we never paid it any attention. Yeah, they're all getting big, and especially Jet and Scarlet. Well, Meadow's getting big too. There's obviously the two littlest ones, Pearl and Little Red, hence the name Little Red. But yep, little chickens. Y'all have a good day tomorrow. Hope you had a good day today, and God willing, I'll see you tomorrow for another video. I thank y'all for keep watching, and I found a new person that watched my video yesterday, Amos C. Presley. My last name's Presley as well, but somehow we're related way back when. See, you're getting curious. But yep. I'm gonna keep using this little film editor I got to put the videos together. See, she likes the camera, don't you? Don't you, Pearl? Oh, no, she's getting her, Meadow's getting her a dust bath now. Alright now. Oh, what in the world? Well, I'll have a good day now. Bye. Before I go, I'll just show y'all how I'm going to do this again. I don't think I put the extra piece of board on there today. Just going to do like that and put this piece of board. And then this piece of board, well, this one like that. And then this one like that. There we go. Turn out the lights and the party will be over. Goodbye. For last this time.